Good morning. Today we are going to talk about numerical integration. Before we start, kindly refer to my Instagram post for the general formula. For this video, we will only discuss about trapezoidal rule. As we know that integration sometimes can be complicated, with this trapezoidal rule, we may eliminate this complicated step. So it is given that this function is approximate to 1.2913. So find the approximate value of this function using trapezoidal rules. So in this question, I'm going to list down three cases. One is trapezoidal rule, one is composite trapezoidal rule. So first of all, case 1. So we first list down A, B, N, and H, all those required parameters. So we need to find F0. So we substitute into the function. Do the same thing for 1.5. Since it's the upper limit, and then we apply the formula of trapezoidal rule, substitute, and this is the answer, 1.4969. It has a big difference as compared to the given value. Never mind, we proceed to case 2. Case 2, we will have number of strips. So we will get a step size is equals to 0.5. So we do the same thing, substitute the x value into the function of fx. So these are the values. Now we proceed to substitution and we'll get the approximate value. So the answer we will get is 1.2958. It is close to the approximate value. Okay, never mind, we proceed to case 3. Case 3, we have a higher number of n, whereby you get a smaller value of h. So do the same thing, substitute the x value into the function of fx. Repeat the same step, we substitute into the general formula. Okay, now we can conclude that from these three values, we know that when the value of n is higher, the accuracy is increased. So for n bigger than 1 is considered as composite trapezoidal rule. But mostly, we will apply composite trapezoidal rule since we would like to obtain a higher accuracy value. We will discuss about Simpson rule in my next video. Stay tuned.